I'm just gonna show you around my house. My sister's awake and playing with the dog. And we just got out of a fight because she was being annoying. And I told her to stop being annoying, and then she started being a jerk. Okay, and what do you think? I'm in a house you've never seen before. It's not a crystal map. I'm so sorry. But here's what you do. This is my one of my single player maps, and I'm going to review them for you today. All of them. Okay, so if we have enough time, might be a part 2. Okay, and we have a chest full of things in it, and a furnace and a crafting table. That is my bedroom. This is a spare room. Haven't done anything with yet, but probably make it a little living room. I eat in there. Well, next map. So you've seen Minecraft, but let's go to Minecraftia. So this is Minecraftia. This is my home. It's pretty big. It's in a cave. Yeah, there's mossy cobblestone from what I did. I want that to go away. I want it to work. But anyways. There's outside, but I'll show you inside. Okay, obviously my chest. This chest I don't think has any. Oh wow, definitely has stuff in it. Not yet. That was in a wall to the outside. I closed it off. So basically, this big cave is my home. So I have a lot of caves I can look in. I killed off all the monsters, and yes, that is what you're thinking, you see. No dungeon, and this is my mine. But I took all the materials and I'm trying to abandon it. Next map. What have you not seen? I have much more though. Oh, you gotta see Mineland. Wait, have you seen Mineland, guys? Well, you have, but maybe I'll let you see. Okay, this one kinda sucky. This is my home. I'll show you around. It's my time. Though I really don't care. Wait, I have all my stuff right now. Should have made a chest. Well, it's just touring the house. Okay, that's it. Goodbye. Nope. I'm just gonna show you Minecraft one more time, because it's a lot different now. What's will fear me, ruler of the world, yup. Okay, so how is this gonna work for you guys? There we go. This is my bedroom, my eating table. Just fixing the screen. And let's go on to the main room, the room I started off in. I want to have difficulty on this time. I had it on the entire time, but anyways. That's my mine. Outside, and here my chest. Have a lot of stuff. Minecart. Have that. I like that. This is just where I'm gonna put all my stuff, but nothing in that chest. Once this chest is full, I'll put stuff in there. Well, that's all for this house. And the end of this video. And only 5 minutes. Bye, guys.